Hello everyone, welcome to the series of C programming. In this video, I'll be briefly introducing you all with C language, its history as well as modern scope. Before knowing them, let's take a look at the topics that I have shortlisted and will be covering in my upcoming videos. I'll be introducing these all topics one by one, and in the middle of these topics, I'll be giving you a few exercises and quizzes. These all topics are quite significant for you to have basic knowledge of C language. Especially, the second topic will be foundation of your C language, which will let you understand how to write basic structure of C language. And the rest of the topics will help you strengthen your foundation. Only by grasping the knowledge of these all fundamental topics, you'll be able to effectively write codes or programs in C language. In this journey of C language, I'll be putting my best possible efforts to help you understand each and every topic as much clear as crystal. So now let's begin the introduction part. First of all, let's know what is a programming language. Before defining it, let me tell you something. As we all know, we human beings speak various languages to communicate with each other. Without language, we cannot express anything to others. Likewise, programming language is simply a computer language which we use to communicate with computer and any other technical devices such as mobile phone. Now you may ask, what is then C language? Actually, it's a structured middle-level machine-independent programming language. I said it structured language because C language, while solving a big problem, divides the problem into several segments with its functions and modules and makes the handling of problem quite easy. Now why did I say machine independent? It's because C language is not confined to any particular machine. Rather, it's used on several platforms without any issue. These two computer scientists, Ken Thompson and Dennis Ritchie, led the development of C language. To know a little bit about the history of C language, we have to go back in 90s. During 1967, Dennis Ritchie and Ken Thompson joined the Bell Laboratory of American Telephone and Telegraph Company. At that time, a series of PDP mini-computer was in demand. Unix operating system written in assembly language was installed in that PDP-7 mini-computer. But it was quite difficult to manage the resources in Unix operating system due to assembly language used in it. Then Dennis Ritchie and Ken Thompson decided to create a new flexible language to write the new version of Unix operating system. So initially, Ken Thompson along with his colleagues developed B language, but that too was not capable of handling the resources, though it made the task a bit easier. Later on, Dennis Ritchie made improvements in B language and created a new language in 1972, which we call it C language. So basically, C language was designed to write the fourth version of Unix operating system on PDP-11 mini computer. However, C language was such a powerful and flexible language that it went beyond the Bell Labs across the world, and programmers started using it on a global level. As a result, C language gained its popularity throughout the world. In today's world, C language has been used on several platforms. It's widely used for developing different types of operating systems, network drivers, creating other programming languages, security purpose, development of embedded systems like appliances, vehicles, set-top boxes, cameras, televisions, operating systems like Windows, Mac OS, Linux-based distributions, iOS, Android, and so on. Now we can understand here that C language has a very wide scope in modern world. So that's all for today's video. Hope you have got the clear idea of C language. If you like this video, subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon to get notified for my upcoming videos.